Hi there, welcome to Yoga 101. This is Susie. Today we'll learn all about upward dog. If you're ready, hop on your mat and let's begin. Start in tabletop. From here, tuck your toes, finding plank pose. Stack your shoulders over your wrists and form a straight line with your body. Next, what you'll do is untucking your toes. Place the tops of your feet over the mat. Lower your legs down, but not all the way down. Your thighs will be hovering over the mat. Press firmly into the tops of your feet and into your palms. Something to pay attention to is how you feel in your lower back. If you feel a pinching sensation, it might mean that you don't have the back flexibility or the arm strength for this pose yet. Next, what you want to do is draw the shoulder blades in together as if you're holding a pen between them and lift your chest. Check to see if your wrists are right under your shoulders. If not, align them and press firmly into the palms and make sure your arms are tightly framing your body. Now let's look at how this pose could go wrong and also do a recap. Keeping your toes tucked. In this pose, you press the tops of your feet into the mat. Pressing your thighs against the mat. No, you're gonna keep the legs lifted. Crunching the back. No, you want to press your chest forward so you're not dumping all your weight into your lower back. Hands placed way forward. You'll bring your wrists right under your shoulders. Hands far away from each other. Again, you want to align the shoulders and wrists, so you're gonna need to bring the hands closer to each other. Great work! Now let's look at how to exit this pose. More often than not, you'll transition into downward dog from upward dog. So tuck your toes one by one and send your hips back into a downward dog, pressing your chest in towards your thighs. Awesome! That's it! Now keep practicing. Remember, practice makes progress. Would you like to practice with me daily and access all of my exclusive classes? Download the BringMeYoga app and start your free trial today. The link is in the description. Check out this playlist for my gentle yoga practices. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for weekly yoga classes.